Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Today's question look tricky, but wait, we will solve this in a way that is very easy and quickly. Question is 2 raised to power a is equal to 8 raised to power b is equal to 64, and you have to find the value of ab by a plus b. So we will solve this question. First of all, consider that 8 is equal to the 2 raised to power 3, and this is also given that 2 raised to power 3 64 is equal to the 2 raised to power 6. In this way, you can write 2 raised to power a is equal to 64, and 64 is equal to 2 raised to power 6. It's mean 2 raised to power a is equal to 2 raised to power 6. If the base is same, you can compare the power, so a is equal to 6. Now you have to find the value of b, so you can write 2 raised to power a, 8 raised to power b is equal to the 64, and 8 can be write as 2 raised to power 3b, and 64 can be write as 2 raised to power 6. It's mean 3b is equal to the 6, which implies that b is equal to 6 is divided by 3, 2. So value of b is 2. You have to find the value of ab over a plus b. So ab over a plus b is equal to the a is 6 and b is 2. 6 into 2 divided by 6 plus 2. So you will get the final answer ab over a plus b 12 by 8, and then by simplifying this, because 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are 8, this is equal to 3 by 2. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for more upcoming video. In the next video, we will solve more mathematical questions. Stay tuned. Best of luck for your exams.